Hello my YouTube family, welcome you all to my channel. Today's topic is vaccination. What is a vaccine? The word vaccine originates from the Latin variolae vaccini, cowpox, which Edward Jenner demonstrated in 1798 could prevent smallpox in humans. Today the term vaccine applies to all biological preparations produced from living organisms that enhance immunity against disease and either prevent prophylactic vaccines or, in some cases, treat disease therapeutic vaccines. Vaccines are administered in liquid form, either by injection, by oral, or by intranasal routes. Vaccines are composed of either the entire disease-causing microorganism or some of its components. They may be constructed in several ways. See Figure 1. From living organisms that have been weakened, usually from cultivation under suboptimal conditions, also called attenuation, or from genetic modification, which has the effect of reducing their ability to cause disease. From whole organisms that have been inactivated by chemical, thermal or other means. From components of the disease-causing organism, such as specific proteins and polysaccharides, or nucleic acids. From inactivated toxins of toxin-producing bacteria. From the linkage, conjugation of polysaccharides to proteins. This increases the effectiveness of polysaccharide vaccines in young children. See Figure 2. Examples of each type of vaccine are shown in Table 1. In addition to combining several serotypes of a disease-causing organism in a single vaccine, for example 13-valent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, vaccines against different disease-causing organisms can be combined to provide protection against several different diseases. These combination vaccines may contain different types of vaccines. Combination vaccines against different diseases such as diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, Haemophilus influenzae type B, hepatitis B, and polio, are commonly used in childhood immunization schedules. These vaccines incorporate both viral and bacterial vaccines and contain toxoids, purified protein subunit vaccine, conjugated polysaccharide vaccine, recombinant protein vaccine, and inactivated viral vaccine respectively. See Figure 3. Vaccines may also contain antigens against several types, or serotypes, of the same disease-causing organism, providing protection against each type. Polio and influenza vaccines each protect against 3 types of virus, and some bacterial vaccines like pneumococcal vaccine protect against up to 23 different serotypes of Streptococcus pneumonia. A full list of vaccines according to their type can be seen in Table 4. What does a vaccine contain? In addition to the bulk antigen that goes into a vaccine, vaccines are formulated mixed with other fluids such as water or saline, additives or preservatives, and sometimes adjuvants. Collectively, these ingredients are known as the excipients. These ensure the quality and potency of the vaccine over its shelf life. Vaccines are always formulated so as to be both safe and immunogenic when injected into humans. Vaccines are usually formulated as liquids, but may be freeze-dried, lyophilized, for reconstitution immediately prior to the time of injection. Preservatives ensure the sterility of the vaccine over the period of its shelf life. Preservatives may be used to prevent contamination of multi-dose containers. When a first dose of vaccine is extracted from a multi-dose container, a preservative will protect the remaining product from any bacteria that may be introduced into the container. Or, in some cases, preservatives may be added during manufacture to prevent microbial contamination. Preservatives used in vaccines are non-toxic in the amounts used and do not diminish the potency of vaccines. But not all preservatives can be used in all vaccines. Some preservatives will alter the nature of some vaccine antigens. Preservatives commonly used in vaccine formulation are shown in Table 2. How do vaccines work? When inactivated or weakened disease-causing microorganisms enter the body, they initiate an immune response. This response mimics the body's natural response to infection. But unlike disease-causing organisms, vaccines are made of components that have limited ability, or are completely unable, to cause disease. See Figure 4. The components of the disease-causing organisms, or the vaccine components that trigger the immune response, are known as antigens. These antigens trigger the production of antibodies by the immune system. Antibodies bind to corresponding antigens and induce their destruction by other immune cells. See Figure 5. The induced immune response to either a disease-causing organism or to a vaccine configures the body's immune cells to be capable of quickly recognizing, reacting to, and subduing the relevant disease-causing organism. When the body's immune system is subsequently exposed to a same disease-causing organism, the immune system will contain and eliminate the infection before it can cause harm to the body. See Figure 6. The effectiveness and the duration of the protective effect of a vaccine depend both on the nature of the vaccine constituents and on the manner in which they are processed by the immune system. Some disease-causing organisms, such as influenza, change from year to year, requiring annual immunization against new circulating strains. In very young children, the immune system is immature and less capable of developing memory. In this age group, duration of protection can be very short-lived for polysaccharide antigens. This is part 1 video. Today we have discussed 3 topics under vaccination. First, what is vaccine? Second, what dose vaccine contains? Third, how do vaccine works? More topic under vaccine we'll cover in next video part 2. Till then stay tuned. Bye and take care.